There we go, may flowers. Lilies are blooming. Ito isa wala. Yeah. Tada! Kaya man namang yellow. Mga roses na pinapilo-pilo na. Ah. Hmm. Lily. Hmm. Kadat ng rose. Yeah, ika-cuties. At tiger lily na parang katasan po. Hmm? Kataasan na. Cute dilaw. Oh yeah. Nice. Taas kayo. Oh. Yes. They're coming up too. See? So, may mong payag. Oh, wala ang flowers, guys. Chichichi. Pati pasulod, oh. Blooming, oh. From Lola with love. Bye-bye. Here comes my roses. Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay lang ba yan, guys? Kagwapa niya. At that. Ano siyang bloom, no? Pa dito sa likod. Grabe yung bloom. O niya ang red coming up, oh. Wow. Ang red. So good na po. Daghan kay buds. Ito pa. Wow, sa mga roses. Walang sani sila karon akong flowers diri. Second batches lang bloom ko yung una. Makamantong. Kuan, di ba? Peso. May panguban. Nice one, di ba? That's from my backyard. Here they go, my beautiful roses. Oh, guys. Kahumot, guys. Kahumot na lang yun. Smells so good. Look at that. Amazing blooms. Da-da-da. First batch ni sa blooms, guys. Humot kay guys, uy. Super kahumot. Wala po ng beauty. Oh, wow. Yeah. Red are coming too. Red are coming. Yay. Oh la la. Oh, grabe pati dyan, oh. Guwapa, no? Sana, oh. Yellow is coming up too. Oh. Cute lang siya this year. Ito pa isa, oh. Naapay. Sabi na, langaw. May langaw. Okay. So, red coming. And pretty. Oh la la. Oh la la.